Tired of your messages disappearing into the digital abyss? Let's fix that. Today, we're diving into how to verify phone numbers with Twilio, making sure your messages actually get delivered. First, head over to Twilio Account and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up. It's free to start. Once you're in, navigate to the Twilio Console. This is your mission control for all things Twilio. Find the phone number section. In the left-hand navigation menu, click on it to expand the options. Next, look for verified caller IDs or a similar option. This is where we'll be adding the phone numbers you want to verify. Click the Add a New Caller ID button. A form will appear where you'll enter the phone number you want to verify. Be sure to include the country code. After submitting the phone number, Twilio will send a verification code via SMS to that number. Keep your phone handy. Now, back in the Twilio console, enter the verification code you received in the designated field and click Submit. And that's it. Your phone number should now be verified. You'll see a confirmation message or a green check mark indicating success. This helps improve deliverability and ensures compliance. Now you can confidently send messages knowing they're more likely to reach their destination.